You are welcome, friends, to Custom Venture. If you have been following our channel, you remember sometimes we cut a simple dress using this shape, this material. We use this okay. I will just go with the measurement, but this time around I reduce it to blouse, because today we'll be learning how to sew blouse with multiple layers. The length of the blouse I need is 24. So just measure your 24 here. 24. Okay. 24. The sewing allowance for, and that's 25. Mark your 25. Okay. And cut it. Not to stress us because we have already measured this. Okay. So the next thing is, we are talking about blouse with multiple layers. Now the type of the material you are using determines what you use for your layers. For instance, the sample you are seeing is a plain material. We use plain material for this, but the design, what you are going to use to make your multiple layers will be the material you're going to use for either wrapper underneath or your skirts. Okay, so let's assume this is the material we are using for our skirt or our wrapper under. So we are going to curve the shape. Depends on the shape you have. The shape I have here is the shape of the design on the material. So you look for the design on the material. If your design is square, cut square. If your design is triangle, cut triangle. Okay, the design on your material determines what you are going to shape. I will trace the shape you want. The next thing, you arrange them. You arrange them before you turn over this one. Arrange as many as you want. Make it fuller than my own. Okay. Make it as full as you want. Cut as many as you want. Thank you very much. If you have found any of our teaching, any of our video edifying, give us a thumb up. Don't forget to click on the notification button and appreciate us as comments. God bless you. Bye.